Hello everyone, this is session 1 of season 0. And why do we even have a season 0? Well, because in session 1 of season 1, we start writing codes in an environment called VS Code. Well, there are lots of different text editors and IDEs in the world, and VS Code is one of them. Since this course is from absolute zero, I need to mention that, if you want to write some codes, you need to install an application, and there are lots of different applications in the world, and they are called text editors or IDEs. Well, I'm not going to discuss the difference between text editor and IDE here. I think it's unnecessary. But the point is, you need to install something before we start. And also, this course has no requirements. It's for absolute, it's zero. But the only thing is that before anything else, you need to install VS Code. And this is the only thing that you need to do before start watching this course. So you can just simply go ahead and search install VS Code, and the first link that comes is actually from code.visualstudio.com/download. And as you can see, there is a download link for all operating systems, Mac, whether it's Mac OS, Linux, or Windows, it doesn't matter. And I'm sure the installation process is very easy, and I'm sure you guys can handle it. You just download it and install it, and this is the only thing that you need to do before watching this course. And also, there's another thing that I want to mention is that when I finish this course, I come back and add some more videos to season 0. So if you see only one video in season 0 and this video only, it means I'm still recording this course. But if you saw more than one video in this season, it's just because it's because the course has been finished. And when I finish this course, I come back to season 0 and add some more videos. And in those videos, I'm just talking about the course, how the course is, what projects do we do in this course, and what goals we are trying to accomplish, and things like that. I'm just describing the whole course and what the course is about, and what do we do that, a demo of the projects that we do. So I will come back and add some more videos to season 0, but for now, this is the only video on season 0. And in season 0, I just wanted to say that you do need to install VS Code before watching this course and watching the session 1 of season 1. So this is it. Install VS Code and you're good to go.